Good morning everybody. So in this video we will discuss another program that they have asked in May 2015 paper on structure for 10 marks. Let us read the question carefully. Again here we have to define a structure with the name cricket, which will contain these many parameters in it. First one is player name, second one is country name, and then batting average. And finally we have to input 20 player information of test playing country, and we have to write a program which will display detailed information of player with given player name. Okay, so let us begin with program. Remember here parameters that we have to consider are player name, country name, and batting average. So let's begin with program. Okay, so according to question, we have to define a structure with the name cricket. So define structure, use keyword struct. We have to give name to the structure as cricket. First parameter that we have to store is player name. So it is of type string. So we will require character array PLNM. We give some size. Then we have to store country name. Again it is of type string, so again character array will require. So country name, give some size here for that. And finally we have to store batting average. So it is of type integer, batting average. Then in the question they have mentioned that we have to store details of 20 players. So here actually we have to write like this. We have to create array of structure with size 20, but for the simplicity here we will just take details of only 3 players. But while writing answer in the final paper we have to mention this size as 20, because in the question they have mentioned that we have to input details of 20 players. Now next step is we have to store details now of 3 players in the structure. So for storing detail we will require for loop. In for loop we require one variable, so I define variable r. Then clear screen. Now here we have to mention for how many times we have to iterate for 3 times. So if you take size as 20, then we have to iterate for 20 times. So this is for loop. So initially we have to display message like enter name of first player. So printf display message enter name of first, then second and third. So in general %d player. So here give /n and %d value just like our previous program we will take it from i+1. After getting this message, user will enter name of first player. We have to store this. So for storing scanf, user will enter name, type of name is string, so format specified is %s, and the name of location where we have to store name is and e of I dot player name PLNM. Here we define this array for storing name. So that array name PLNM. Then we have to take country name of that player. So again printf display message enter country name of %d player. So /n and %d will take it from i+1, and then again scanf. So country name we have to store. So again it is of type string. So here we have to mention %s, and the name of the location where we have to store country name is and e of I dot for storing country name, we define array CNM over here. Then finally we have to take batting average. Enter here, display message, enter batting average of %d player. So here slash n and then %d value, just like previous program, we'll take it from -1. Now this time user is going to enter batting average, and batting average type we have given here what? Integer. So in the scanner here we have to mention %d, and where we have to store this, and e of I dot batting average BA. Okay, and then close this for. So what is purpose of this for? This for is used to store details in structure. Now in question they said that after storing detail from player name, we have to display the country and the batting average of that player. So we have to take one player name from user, and then whatever player name that user will enter, we have to display the country name and the batting average of that player. So now we have to take player name from user. So for that we have to define one more array. Okay, so user player name, I'm going to give name for that as user player name. Okay, and then if the player with this name is present in our structure, then we have to display country name and the batting average of that player. So initially we have to take value of user player name from user. So how to take that? Here printf user display message, enter your player name. Okay, so slash n. After getting this message, user will enter player name. We have to store that. So for storing scanner, so player name is of type strings %s, and we have to store this in which array? In uplnm array. So and uplnm user player name. Okay, now whatever value which is stored in uplnm, if that player name is exist in the structure, we have to display that country name and the batting average of that player. Okay, so now see, we have to check whether the value present in the uplnm is present in the name part of the structure or not. Okay, so we have to, again here we have to use for loop. So for, how many times we have to iterate? For 3 times, because only 3 players we are considering here. I less than 3, I plus. Okay. So initially we have to compare uplnm with the name of first player, then name of second player, then name of third player. If match found, then we can say that that player is exist, and then we have to display country name and batting average of that player. So here we have to use if control statement for comparing what? For comparing uplnm with the player name which are already stored in the structure. So for that, here we have to use strcmp function, string compare. What we have to compare? We have to compare uplnm with initially the name of the first player, then with the name of the second player, and then we have to compare it with third player. So where name of first player is stored, at which location name of first player is stored, it is stored in e of 0.plnm. Then where name of second player is stored, it is stored at e of 1.plnm. So we have to compare this uplnm with all the names which are present in structure. So initially with 0, then with 1, and then with 2. So second parameter you have to write like this: e of I dot plnm. So string compare, what will be output of string compare if both strings are equal? It is 0. This part we have already discussed in string. Okay, so see here how compiler will execute this. I 0 less than 3 true, come inside. So before coming here, these two statement will be executed. So user will enter some player name. So that player name will be in uplnm, and at first iteration I is 0. So this uplnm will be compared with e of 0 dot plnm. Means this uplnm will be compared with the first player name of the first player which is stored in the structure. So if match found, if its output is 0, then we can say that this uplnm is there in the structure, and if it is there in the structure, then we have to display country name and the batting average of that player. So if condition true, then we have to display country name of that player. How to display country name? We can display message country name of respective player is, country name is in string, so %s, and we have to display country name of that player. So it is there in e of I dot cnm. Okay, so here you can give /n, and along with country name we have to display batting average as well. So make use of one more printf. So here you can display message like batting average of respective player is, batting average is in integer, so %d, then /n, and we have to display that from which location, e of I dot batting average. Okay, now see, if this condition is true, then its meaning is the name that user has entered, with that name already player is exist. So if this condition is true, the player with the same name is present, but sometimes user may enter the name of the player which is not exist. So if this condition is false, then the whatever username player name that user has entered, that the player with that name is not exist. So here we can write else, and you can simply display message like details of this player not present in structure. Details of given player are not present in structure. Then close this. Okay, finally close this for, and then here we have to write get ch. Okay, once again go through this program. Initially we define cricket structure with 3 parameters: player name, country name, and batting average. Then we define array of structure with size 3 here for simplicity, but while writing answer in the final paper, in the question they have mentioned that we have to input 20 pairs, so you have to replace this 3 by 20. Then using this first part, we are accepting name, country name, and batting average of all 3 players. Then we are taking one player name from user, and then we are searching whether that player details are present in the structure or not, using this if condition. If this condition is true, then the player with the given name exists in the structure, and if it is exist, we are displaying his country and batting average. Otherwise, if this condition is false, then player with that name is not exist in structure. So let us compile and execute. So observe here carefully output. It is asking for name of first player. Again, I will enter name of first player as Amit, country of first player, suppose India, and batting average of first player, suppose 40. Then asking for second player details, okay, suppose mode. Then now country, suppose Australia, and batting average, suppose 70. Now third player, suppose Manoj. Then country name, suppose England, and batting average, suppose 77. Now see, I have provided all the details for the three players. Now it has to ask me my player name. See here, once again press enter, asking for player name. Okay, now here if I enter player name as Manoj, then it has to display me his country name as England and batting average as 77. Manoj. Then details of given player are not present in structure. Okay. Okay. So see here, if they are not present, then no need to display anything, because according to question they have mentioned that if they are present, then only we have to display. If they are not present, no need to display message like details are not present in the structure. And one more point is missing here, that is we use strcmp, so we have to include string.h in program. Okay, so save your code, save. Now compile and once again execute. So name of the first player, suppose Dhoni. Okay, country, suppose India, and batting average, suppose 70. Name of the second player, suppose Smith. Then country, Australia, and batting average, suppose 40. And name of the third player, suppose Williamsons. Country, New Zealand. And batting average, suppose 56. Now again if I press enter, it will ask for my player name. Now here if I enter player name as Smith, then it has to display his country as Australia and average as 40. And if I enter the name of the player as Williamsons, then it has to display country name as New Zealand and his batting average as 56, and so on. So let us test this with Williamsons. Williamsons, enter. Country of the country name of respective player is New Zealand and batting average is 56. So this is all about this program. Thank you for watching my tutorial.